Hello, my friends. I am Miss Hoshika and I am coming behalf of the Tea Center. And today we are going to make a green and yellow tree. Let's see how to make these. To make our yellow and green tree, we will need some green paper, a yellow marker, a glue stick, some scissors, and 2 craft sticks. First, we have to put these away and cut this green paper into stripes of all sizes. And now we are going to color one of our craft sticks with our yellow marker. And the other side, we're going to color in color yellow too. Now we are going to glue the strips of paper onto the top of the craft stick. Take your glue and one stripe by one, glue into our craft stick. And now flip the stick over and glue more stripes into the other side. Now you gotta let this dry for a little bit. I already have one I made before. I'm gonna get that one, and we are gonna get our next craft stick and use this craft stick to curl our tree's leaves. Now take your time and keep curling all of the stripes. And now flip over and curl the other side. And now play with our curls a little bit so they're gonna open up nicely. There we go. This is how you make a yellow and green paper tree. Thank you so much for joining us, and please like our video and share our video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.